All right, today I'm going to be picking the ABUS 7240. It's a Brady, so it's a lockout lock, but you can see a little different keyway here. So the problem with that is it's hard to get top of key here. So I'm going to do top of key right here with that small insert. I'm going to apply pretty good amount of tension. Now I've picked this multiple times and I'm praying that I remember to leave it unlocked because I don't have the key. It's my friend's, he gave it to me. I appreciate it, but without that key, man, gutting it is a pain. So let me try. I'm going to do heavy tension. You can see how much force I'm putting on my thumb. Okay, I'm going to go for 1, and I set 1, go for 2. 2 is set, going for 3. 3 is set, going to 4. I don't know if I set 4. Let's keep going. 5 and 6. All right, so I didn't get a full set yet, so I'm going to feel 1, jiggle test. 1 feels good. 2 is jiggle testing. It's good. 3 feels okay. 4 is rock hard. I don't know if that's in or overset. Let's go to 5 and 6. Something's wrong, so I'm gonna release a little tension. Get 1 click and just test on 1, 2, 3. 1 and 4. 4's up. So let's get that down. There we go. Okay. Now I go to 5, and now we're on 6. Okay. Don't know where we're at yet. No false set. So I'm gonna go back to 1. 1 has, it's springing up, so I'm thinking it's not set. So now it might be set. Okay. 5 and 6. Nothing yet. 1. 2 is coming back up, so I'm thinking it's not set. Okay. Okay. 1 feels set. 2. Okay. Something wrong. There we go. I'm not applying enough tension. That's on me. So now I put more tension back on. Okay, now I went into my false set. And now we're at 6. And 6 is giving me a little counter rotation. I am in a false set now. So I'm going to go through it. 1 feels good. 2 feels good. And I'm applying heavy tension. I made the mistake in not applying enough tension. Okay. And it's what I call heavy tension. Might not be heavy tension for some people. All right. Number 6 is giving the feel of a counter rotation. So I think I need to back off and let it come around. There we go. And I did. All right. So it's open and I got to not lock it back up. That is the hardest part for me, apparently. Okay, I'm gonna get Phillips in here. I'm gonna open it up. Okay, it's open. I'm gonna drop the cord out. Okay, I'm just gonna put this stuff out of the way because I don't care about that right now. Leave the core. Please stay open. So I'm gonna rotate this a little bit more because I'm just afraid of that core falling out. No, not falling out, but relocking. All right, let's take this off. All right, so now, of course, come on. Okay, the C comes out now. All right, so now this is the problem. It would be much better for me if this key was on the other side so I can use this. So my follower is gonna leave this gap. I will not be able to get it without losing stuff, so I'm gonna have to use a shim. And luckily enough, I do have a shim. So I'm gonna leave this here and try to get this on the table. All right, so now let's get this in here. Now we'll get the shim in there. Now let's work the follower. I don't think I'm good to get the follower in there. All right, so I'm gonna follow this with the shim. All right. So now I got the key on the other side. I'm just gonna push this back in. This will actually be way safer for me. So by doing this and having this on this side now, I can actually just use my follower way better. course, that last pan I was not very careful about. And got it stuck, but that's okay. I'm just not prepared today. And I didn't pull out my t-shirt. Alright, and that's okay. As you can see, put this up here. And I want you to be able to see it. So we'll put it on this mat. So right here, the spring. Okay. Not worried about pulling the springs out. Don't need to see that. Alright, so I'll leave the springs in there. You see I got it in there, and there's springs in there if you can see it. Not really worried about showing the springs. I guess we got that in there. And of course, you get each one of these. Alright, so as you can see, let's bring this up. Alright, so as you can see, we have no serrations on any of the key pins, and then you have a standard, and then everything else is spools on here. It's not super tricky. As you can see, without a key, it makes it a pain in the butt. But that's it. I'm going to put it back together now.